I'm Exta, and this is how to curl your synthetic wig using boiling water. Well, it's actually very simple. The first thing you want to get is like some perm rods, because perm rods have an elastic band on it to help it hold. So first you want to wet the wig and then start doing sections and rolling it onto the perm rods. Once you have them all in, make sure you have your boiling water and then just lightly dip that particular rod, each one individually or maybe 2 or 3 depending on your pot that you're using. Dunk it in, let it set for just a moment, no more than like 5 to 6 seconds. Bring it out and then let it sit and dry. Once it's dry, you have a curled synthetic wig.